It took me 3 months for this moment, from starting my seeds, to watering every day, to defending the container from an ant invasion, and now finally, my sunflowers have bloomed.
greensandmachines.com.
For the hashtag Sunflower Challenge 2019, hosted by Nick's Allotment Diary, I planted a flat of Mammoth Russian sunflower seeds. These are supposed to grow over 12 feet tall in ideal growing conditions, as you can see from last year's crop pictured here. So how tall and how large of head size did my sunflowers grow in a container? Let's take a look. Here are the 4 sunflowers that have bloomed. The first one that bloomed, on September the 4th, grew 22.5 inches tall and had a 1-inch diameter head. That's 57.2 centimeters tall and a 2.54 centimeters head for those using the metric system. Obviously not the biggest in this competition, but it certainly brightened my day. The largest and tallest sunflower bloomed a few days later. Well, half bloomed for the first 2 days. This one grew to 40 inches tall and had a 3-inch diameter head, or 101.6 centimeters and 7.62 centimeters. Pretty cool! The other sunflowers weren't measured, but you get the idea that the sunflowers won't grow too large when in containers. But they do grow to a nice manageable size that's right near your face. Very cool. For the next time I grow sunflowers in containers, I'll be sure to fertilize them more, as it should help them grow taller. So once these fellows are pollinated and die off, I'll harvest the seeds to grow next year's crop. I'd like to thank Nick's Allotment Diary for organizing this YouTube competition. Be sure to check out his videos and the videos from everyone else who grew sunflowers for this year's competition. Also, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Greens and Machines for more gardening videos. Check out another one of our videos before leaving this channel. We'll see you in the next one.